Hello, and welcome again to this channel, Culture in Quarantine. To begin with today's issue, it is necessary to say that in this period of the pandemic, the quarantine makes us have too much free time. This can result in stress and it can be dangerous for our mental health. That is why today we are going to show you all about crafts and how useful it can be for spending your free time. So let's begin.
Craft can be seen as any occupation or avocation requiring special skills, especially manual ones, including carpentry, sewing, pottery, among others, or various hobbies in which things are made by hand, including painting, origami, scrapbooking.
To do crafts is fun and we can all do them from our homes. Since we are in times of quarantine, craft can alleviate the symptoms of anxiety, depression, loneliness, and even dementia according to research. Likewise, the famous psychologist Mihaly stated that crafts allow us to enter in a flow state, a perfect immersive state of balance between skill and challenge. And another study from Delaware University in Philadelphia, USA, revealed that no matter what skill level one has, creating any handicraft is a powerful stress reliever.
The benefits of craft. A large-scale international online survey of Nature found respondents that a wide range of perceived psychological benefits from the practice. Relaxation, relief from stress, a sense of accomplishment, connection to tradition, increased happiness, reduced anxiety, enhanced confidence, as well as cognitive abilities, like improved memory, concentration, and ability to think through problems. This means that it is a very useful tool for helping people's concentration and of course for long and short memory.
Crafts originated after the first civilization had the need to create utensils for personal use with their own hands and creativity, but today crafts is a worldwide phenomenon. A great example of this is origami, the art Japanese of making figures with paper that is recognized worldwide. This is why there is no great difference between crafts made in Colombia and those made in the USA.
When doing craft, there are uncountable materials to use for creating those ideas, and the most common are cardboard, brushes, egg boxes, recyclable materials such as plastic bottles, wood, papier-mâché, paints, fabrics, among others.
But there are some types of crafts depending on the age. For example, for adults, three activities can be useful for help them fight stress and anxiety, as coloring, knitting, and origami.
For kids, it's not the same. They must use a special material for not hurting themselves, as frugal or recycled, and also simple activities in order to easily follow the corresponding steps and to engage their creativity skills. For example, seasons crafts, holidays and celebration crafts, animal crafts, among others. We want to share with you some ideas. You just need to click on the links in the description and you can find some channels and videos for doing crafts. Thanks for watching. Remember to be safe and stay at home, and see you next time.